guys, hi, welcome to my video. So today's topic is very interesting, as you have read by this title, how to get a job as a fresher, and that too a very good job. Okay, so without wasting so much of time, let's jump into this video. So first things first, I would like to say that as a fresher, I used to think very negatively about getting a freshers as a job, and I used to always think pressure कि like मुझे कैसे जॉब मिलेगी, कहाँ मिलेगी, कब मिलेगी. But you know what, अभी I was like कि I know I can crack any interview anytime, वो कोई भी interview हो, because I know, because this which I'm going to talk to you about this hacks which I discover. So first thing is you have to build your resume. So resume is a very important part of your whole process, okay? And you have to make a strong, effective and genuine resume. I would say that because I have always been very realistic about my resume. I never go through like 5 to 6 pages of resume. No, that is a very bad thing to do. You have to keep your resume crisp and clean. Max to max 2 pages. That's it. And you have to write everything, and you have to be very realistic about it. Okay, because what I learned in this whole process of getting job, building. So second point I would like to add is that confidence. Obviously, whenever you are entering into a room, you have to show the confidence, not overconfidence, not lack of confidence, but a normal confidence. The way it will show the सामने वाले को लगना चाहिए कि लाइक या मे बी दिस पर्सन आई शुड टेक एज अ कैंडिडेट क्योंकि इसमें कुछ तो है. So you have to always show the confidence. Third point is dress neatly. You should always wear decent formal clothes while giving an interview, because it will create a marked impression of the interviewer. I'll add some pictures here and there how to dress up. You have to always look clean. You have to do a subtle makeup if you want to, but yeah, always look fresh. Okay. The fourth point is make your LinkedIn account, grow your LinkedIn account, because sometimes some interviewer ask you like what else you do you have any portfolio, do you have any LinkedIn account, and you will be like, no, I didn't knew this. What, why did you knew this? Because ये चीज़ हर कोई करता है, ये सबको पता होनी चाहिए कि you have to build your LinkedIn account. It will create you to engage with a lot of audiences, lot of businessmen, lot of employees, like many other all around the people. And I have recently knew this, and I have grown my account very well. I got a lot of impression. I will put it here. I got a lot of followers also. I will put it here, some screenshots. You can say that you can see it. Next point is always use your hand as a gesture. Use your hands while you're talking in front of the interviewer, because if you're sitting like this, he'll be like you are just sitting like if you're keeping your hands straight, then सामने वाले को ऐसा लगेगा कि she is not confident, she is वो बहुत नाइव है, ऐसा लगने लगेगा. So you have to always use your hands to communicate. Next point is you have to search for the job online. There are a lot of apps like Job Hai, Indeed, अपना job. There are a lot of apps. So you have to. It will make you easier to search for the jobs. और मैंने खुद ये apps use किए हैं, और मैंने बहुत सारे interviews, jobs crack किए. So please use this apps, because it is a very आप वहाँ पे बहुत कुछ सर्च कर सकते हो, लाइक हाइब्रिड, रिमोट, या वर्क फ्रॉम ऑफिस, वर्क फ्रॉम होम, आप ये सब भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. ओके, सो आप अपने हिसाब से वो ऐप्स में अपनी डिटेल्स फिल कर सकते हो, लाइक व्हाट इज़ योर नीश, व्हाट इज़ योर जॉब क्वालिफिकेशन, जॉब पोजीशन, आप सब कुछ डाल सकते हो. So basically, this is it. This is all point I want to cover. And if you want to know anything else, please let me know in the comment section. And I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.